Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Sit back, relax, and stay safe.
Okay.
I locked that up. Are you f***ing kidding me?
Go! Go!
Together, and you and a friend, a couple friends, and posted your story. Sorry.
Mof.
Damn!
Ah puis non, je préférais pas rester trop longtemps avec lui parce que...
Putain de merde! Il m'a coupé la route, j'ai failli me décagner! Je suis passé sur le côté entre un mur et la bagnole! J'ai failli le décagner! Heureusement que j'étais à 50, hein!
No, I mean, there was no one parked. They're just... Holy shit! But what the fuck are you doing?
When stuff like this happens, and then there's just nothing left over, and no this, and no, whereas normally...
It's at top 10, it's still only 19. Only Kiss can throw you and all your friends at Taylor Swift's Encore. Win an entire roll of tickets to see her Eras to Alive in Singapore.
During practice, and I'm pretty sure I've seen this in the past. All you need is something like this to ignite the rest of the season. Heroes and Sons have more incidents.
Oh my god.
Save up to 40% off selected products and soon.
Alright. Oh, shit! We have not seen.
They don't. It's been family.
Close to Flamingo? Oh shit.
Let's go buy one. Oh!
Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh shit, look at this shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this bitch just hit your car.
Whoa.